The latest visuals of Prime Minister Modi coming in straight from Kanyakumari on your screens at the moment. That's Prime Minister Narendra Modi doing meditation during his 3 days of meditation retreat at Tamil Nadu's Kanyakumari, as you can see on your screens. Alright, so Prime Minister Modi marked the end of the hectic poll campaign and reached Kanyakumari for a 3-day meditation retreat at the iconic Vivekananda Rock Memorial, and we are flashing the latest visuals of his meditation retreat on your screens at the moment. Prime Minister Modi and his connection with Swami Vivekananda's ideology goes way back, as we can clearly see the pictures of his Ekta Yatra straight from 11th of December 1991 are going extremely viral on social media. As our reporter Arun Dhanta earlier mentioned, that Prime Minister Modi in his earlier days had a plan of becoming a sannyasi, but then he entered the politics. At the moment, he is currently giving a tribute to Swami Vivekananda. Currently, he is in Tamil Nadu's Kanyakumari doing his meditation retreat of 3 days. Arun Dhanta is back with us on the broadcast. Arun, over to you. Tell us, we are flashing the latest visual of Prime Minister Modi under meditation at the moment. What exactly is happening on the ground?
Well, that's right. These are the visuals of Prime Minister Modi meditating. Remember yesterday when he started his visit to Swami Vivekananda Rock Memorial, it started with Bhagwati Amman Puja. So he offered his prayer to Bhagwati Amma, who's also Goddess Parvati's another name, and therefore post that offering of puja, Prime Minister started his meditation, and I think he has already completed more than 12 hours of his meditation. And as we've been speaking, that he will not be eating anything in this entire period of 3 days when he is meditating here, and also of course he will not speak to anybody during this period. He will only have nariyal pani, coconut water. That's what we are told. So he will be in a complete agyatwas. He will be in complete isolation, and perhaps in those visuals we can see Prime Minister Modi in that posture, meditating in the same way. And remember, this memorial has been built on that same rock where Swami Vivekananda had meditated for 3 days, and from where he in fact attained that knowledge or entitlement and the thought of Viksit Bharat which emerged.
Right. Arun, also the goal of the yatra is supposed to be to send out a very strong message to the world that India would stand firm and united against any forces of terror. Is the word coming in from BJP as well? At the moment, what we are looking at our screens is Prime Minister Modi under meditation. As you correctly mentioned, that this is a very crucial detail, that he is not going to be talking to anybody for straight 3 days. Also, you told us that he will be fasting for 3 days while he is under the meditation retreat there. Arun, quickly just tell us about how Prime Minister Modi has been connected to Swami Vivekananda's ideology in the past also, because time and again he has mentioned it on the international stages as well, how closely he relates to all the ideologies and learning of Swami Vivekananda. Also, a quick trivia just for our viewers is that Swami Vivekananda also meditated for 3 days when he finally got the vision about developed India or Bharat Mata. At the same time, Prime Minister Modi also selected 3 days for his meditation retreat. So there is a number 3 connection over there. Arun, would you like to highlight that fact to our viewers? Would you like to give more information about why Prime Minister Modi actually chose just 3 days, which was also the number chosen by Swami Vivekananda when he meditated?
Well, that's right. Swami Vivekananda meditated for 3 days at the same place, and remember that meditation came after Swami Vivekananda traveling across the country, and this is the place which he chose at that point in time, and he sat here for 3 days. And then of course that vision of Bharat Mata and the vision of Viksit Bharat, developed India, came to the fore. And in fact, if you see, that is the reason why BJP government and Prime Minister Modi has spoken about Viksit Bharat by 2047. That's the vision with which this government is moving towards, and they've been speaking about it. And if you remember, few weeks back, before the Lok Sabha elections, Prime Minister Modi had a cabinet meeting where he decided on the 100 days agenda of the next government, which he claims that his party is coming to power. What is part of that Viksit Bharat is that how India can become a third largest economy, and how India can become a $30 trillion economy by 2047 with the participation of everyone. So there are so many things which will be part of that Viksit Bharat. And of course, Prime Minister Modi's connect with Swami Vivekananda, and he choosing this period for 3 days here in Kanyakumari is also very significant. Of course, political messaging is of course very clear because Tamil Nadu of course will go to polls in 2026 as far as assembly is concerned, and BJP wants to penetrate in southern part of the country. They've got good support in the northern part of the country. They have decimated opposition in various states in the northern part, but as far as South India is concerned, they have not been able to go beyond Karnataka and Telangana. This time around, they are hoping some good results from Kerala and Tamil Nadu, but for that we'll have to wait for the 4th of June when the results will be out. But of course, Prime Minister Modi has been speaking about his personal connect with the Swami Vivekananda, how he was attached to his foundation, Ramakrishna Mission Foundation, how he was a member of that, and how he wanted to become a sannyasi, but later on he came into public life, but he still has that impact of Swami Vivekananda on his mind. And of course, he's been speaking about it at multiple forums, that today on which direction this government is moving. If Swami Vivekananda would be watching us, he'd be very happy to see that.
Right, Arun, please stay with us. It's time for a quick commercial break here on CNN News 18. We'll come back and discuss the significance of Prime Minister Modi's visit to Kanyakumari this time around.